Welcome to Legacy ICE Academy. Today I am going to discuss another topic, how we can find unit digit of a given number. Like if there is a number to 23 to the power 123, how we can find the unit digit or the last digit of this given number. Okay, so this is again very important topic of number system, and here we have two types of the questions. One types are very easy, like if questions is giving like 27 into like 17 into 22 into 36 54 27 31 into 63, what can be the unit digit? Here simply 7 to the 14, just take 4, 4 6 are 24, again take 4, 4 4 ja 16, again 6, 6 7 ja 42, again 2, 2 1 ja 2, and 2 3 ja 6. The unit place will be 6. So in this type of questions, like this type of questions are very easy. I will give one questions, try to solve it. Like questions can be 9 7 4 2 8 4 6 7. What can be the unit digit? Simply we can solve very simple, like 7 2 ja 14, 4 4 ja 16, 6 7 ja 42, and answer will be 2. Very easily we can solve this type of questions. Another type of question are little complex. Like here questions are giving in power format. Like when we can talk about 27 to the power 81, what can be the answer? So here when we talked about last digit of any given number, it can be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 or 0. Means last digit can be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. In these last numbers, I am dividing into 3 types. Means number can be 0 1 5 6. Another group can be 2 3 7 8, and finally we can say that final group can be 4 and 9. Okay, whenever unit digit or whenever last digit is 0 1 5 6, we can say that unit digit is same. Very simple. Whenever we can talk about 2 3 7 8, if simple means when we divide the power by 4, unit digit is repeating, or unit digits are repeating in multiple of 4, like 2 4 8 6, 2 4 8 6. I will explain you again. Here just try to understand. It means when we are going to divide the power by 4, digits are repeating. 3971, 3971. Same way 7931, 7931, and like 8 also 8426, 8426. It means here whenever numbers are ending with 2 3 7 8 and whatever power we have, unit digits are repeating in multiple of 4. Whenever unit digit or last number or last digit is 4 and 9, then we can say that power, when we can say that digits are repeating in multiple of 2, like 4 6 4 6 4 6 4 6. Here again 9 1 9 1 9 1 and 9 1. Okay, so now I have divided the last number in 3 types. Like I can say that last number can be 0 1 5 6. Last number can be 2 3 7 8. So we have to divide power by 4, and last number can be 4 and 9. We should divide power by 2. Okay, again I want to explain here. Again I have given the same thing only, just try to see it. Like we are dividing the power and getting the remainder. Power, when remainder is 1, power dividing the power by 4, remainder is 2, remainder is 3, and no remainder. I will explain you here. So now come to the finally the number which are ending with 0159. Consider 100 to the power I can see that 121. Unit digit is 0. Okay, 1010 to the power 1010. Unit digit is 0. 25 to the power 625. Unit digit is 5. 366 to the power 366. Unit digit is 6. Means whenever any number which ended with 0156, unit digit will be same. Clear? That thing you have to remember. Now come to the another type. We have 4 number. Whenever numbers are ending with 2, 3, 7, 8, we should divide the power by 4. Like here, and we can see that to the power 1 we have 2, to the power 2 we have 4, to the power 3 we can get 8, to the power 4 we can get 16. It means these numbers are repeating. Whatever number will be, if that number is ending with 2, in last or unit digit can be 2486. It simple means we are dividing the power. Consider 20 to the power 22. So here what we should do? We should divide 22 by 4. 4 5 are 20. Remainder is 2. When remainder is 2, unit digit will be 4. Okay. Take one more question. 2, 3 to the power 100. When we divide 100 by 4, so we have no remainder. Remainder is 0. When remainder is 0, unit digit will be 6. Getting my point? So here what we are doing, we are simply dividing the power. We are dividing the power by 4 and getting the remainder. Remainder can be 1, 2, 3. Accordingly we have unit digit. Try to understand second type, like 3 ones are 3 to the power 3, 3 to the power 2, 9, 3 to the power 3, 27, 3 to the power 4, 81. So now we have the numbers only 3971. Whenever any question which is ending with 3971, which is ending with the 3, unit place will be 3971 only. I consider 23 to the power 23. So we just divide 23 by 4 and remainder will be 3. When remainder is 3, then unit place will be 7. Okay. Same way 7 ones are 7, 7 की power 2 we have 49, 7 की power 3 we have 7 9s are 63, and 7 to the power 4 we have 21, like 1. So unit place will be these only. So what we should do, like we have 47 to the power 42, we just divide the power by 4, remainder will be 2, at the 2 we have 9, so unit place will be 9. Same way 8 ones are 8, 8 to the 64, 8 to the power 3 we have unit place will be 2, and 8 to the power 4 again we have 6. So these can be the unit place. Simple way, whenever question is giving like 8 to the power 8 divide by 4 remainder 0, when 0 unit place will be 6. And okay, hopefully you are able to understand. Simple, you just divide the power by 4, get the remainder. When you get the remainder, you are going to get an answer. Here also, when we talked about here, power should be divided by 2, like 4 ones of 4 to the power 1, 4 to the power 2, we have 16. So again we are going to get 4 and 6. It simple means whenever any number which is ending with the 4, whatever power is, unit digit can be only 4 and 6, like 44 to the power 45. So 45 we should just divide by 2, remainder will be 1. When remainder is 1, unit digit will be 4. Consider 114 to the power 100. When 100 is divided by 2, remainder is 0. When remainder is 0, unit digit will be 6. Same way we can solve here also. 9, 81. So unit place, whenever any number which is ending with the 9, whatever power will be, unit place will be only two number, that is 9 and 1. Consider 99 to the power 199. Okay, when we divide 199 by 2, remainder is 1. When remainder is 1, unit place will be 9. So hopefully you are able to understand. So as I can say that again, I have divided the number 0, 1, 5, 6. Unit digit will be same. I have again said that whenever numbers are ending 2, 3, 7, 8, unit digit will be, we have to divide the power by 4 and get the remainder, and accordingly we can get the unit digit. When numbers are ending with 4 and 9, we have to divide the power by 2 and accordingly we will get the unit digit. Here I gave some numbers, I gave some questions for the practice. Try to solve these questions. One question I can solve, like here number is ending with 2, so we should divide power by 4. When we are going to divide by power by 4, 8, 4 4 ja 16, so we have remainder 1. Okay, to the 1 we have 2, so unit place will be 2. Again 72, when we divide 72 by 4, remainder will be 0. When remainder is 0, so to the power, like 3 to the power 1 we have 3, 3 to the power 2 we have 9, 3 to the power 3 we have 27, and 3 to the power 4 means no remainder, we have 81. So here we are going to get 1, and answer will be 2 1 are 2. Okay, so try to solve remaining questions also. Like this question is very easy, just last you just solve it and you can get easily the answers. So hopefully you are able to understand how we can find the unit digit. Give your response in the comment box. You are able to understand, or if you are not able to understand, just mention in your comment box. I will try to explain again. So in this way we are slowly covering the first topic, that is number system. So almost like maximum concept of the number system has been discussed, and then we are going to start new topic like percentage in coming videos. So hopefully you are able to understand, and thank you for watching this video.